Okay, good morning, Year 5, Group 2, on this nice frosty morning. I've just been outside to take my daughter to school and it is extremely cold. Okay, today we're going to do some subtraction. So let me just go over a few things with you. So I'm just going to flip you over. Okay, and so just looking at the vocabulary for subtraction. And there's the symbol we use. And we've got takeaway, that also means subtraction, minus, decrease, difference, fewer, less. And they're all words associated with subtraction. We'll take away. Okay, so just going to go over a few questions and different ways to do it. So we've got 13 take away 5. Now we could use a number line. And this is like us going back in our heads. There's 13. So we don't include the first one. So I'm going to take 5 away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 13 take away 5 is 8. And then if I was to check that using my inverse of addition, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see I've just checked that. 13 take away 5 is 8. And 8 add 5 is 13. Now, another good way is to use, it's probably one of my favourite ways, favourite thing as a resource. So there's 13, and I need to take away 5. Okay, so I'd go 1, 2, 3 to make 10. And then I've got another 2 to take away. 1, 2. And if I was to show that on my whiteboard, so 13 take away 5. Now if I take away 3, so if I take 3 off here, that leaves me with 2. So 5 take away 3 is 2. And the reason I've done that is so I can take away 3 from my 13 to make 10. Okay, so whatever I do here, I need to do to here as well. So now we're left with 10 take away 2. 9, 8. And it's just a dead easy way to do things where we take it back to the next 10, or the 10 before. 13 here, I've got a 10 and I've got a 3. And over here, I've got 5. So you say, well, if I took 3 away from there, I'd have to take 3 away from 13. So that would be 13 take away 3 is 10. 5 take away 3 is 5. Sorry, 5 take away 3 is 2. And now we're left with 10 take away 2, which is 8. Okay, I could do it this way. So I could have my 13 ones take away 5 ones. So all I need to do is just take 5 away from this pile. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's left me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just different ways to do addition. And what we need to do is build up the speed for addition. Okay? I mean build up the speed for subtraction and addition because they're all linked. Okay, so let's have a go at a different calculation. Okay, so here I've got my rods of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62. So I'd say, okay, I've got 62, subtract 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say we can do our ones. We can go 62, 61. So don't count the 62, 61, 60, 59, 58. And we're counting down. Or we can just do the quicker way. 62 took away 4. Well, if I take away 2, that leaves me with 60. Partition my 4 into 2 and a 2. And then I've got 2 left. Take away 2. 58. So we can count back in ones, but what we need to do is find quicker ways. If I was doing 52 take away 7, let's say, well, let me take away 2 to begin with. That leaves me with 50. So 7 take away 2 is 5. 50 take away 5 would be what? 5 add what is 10? 5 add 5 is 10. So if I take 5 away, I know I'm going to be left with a 5 at the end. So the answer would be 45. 49, 48, 47, 46, 45. Okay, there's no harm in counting back in our ones. However, we just need to find quicker ways to help us. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do 43, take away 9. So let me take that down to the 10 before. So 43 take away 3 is 40. Okay, and then I've taken 3 away off my 9. Because I did 43 take away 9. I've taken 3 away. I'm going to take 3 away from my 9, which leaves me with 6. So now it's 40 take away 6. Using my number bonds, I know 6 add 4 is 10. So my answer would have to have a 4 at the end. And I'm only taking away 6. So the 10 before 40 is 30. Okay, I could count back in my ones. Or I could say, well, I'm going to take 5 away first. 40 take away 5 is 35. Take away 1 is 34. And let me just check if this is correct. So 34 add 6. Well, I know 4 add 6 is 10. So 10 and 30 equals 40. So check your answers by using the inverse. If we do a subtraction, check with addition. And let's just have a look at our worksheets today. So it says subtract 2 from 96. And it's using rods and ones. And again, very similar. And it's getting you to check, which we should be doing anyway. So 99 take away 4 equals what? And then something add 4 equals 99. So those two are linked. And there it mentions about subtracting by counting back, which I've just shown you already. So it's just giving you different strategies just to help you with some quite sort of straightforward subtraction. Okay, and then we've got these questions to complete. Okay, guys, look forward to seeing your answers. Thank you.